Hi guys, welcome to Zeus's earthquake update. So there's 1.1 on Hawthorne, which is east-southeast of it, and it is 1.1. 1.4 is Goldfield, and it is south on 18 kilometers south of Goldfield. Magnitude 2 southeast of Warm Springs. And yeah, that's 69 kilometers. Pahrump is a 0.2, 53 kilometers north of it. And Alamo is a magnitude 1, 55 kilometers north of it. And 2.2 magnitude earthquake, which is a south-southeast of 2.2 magnitude there's a magnitude 2.2 magnitude earthquake at south-southeast of Warm Springs, Nevada. That is your earthquake update, Nevada.